I can see what we are, don't know where we belong. Wanna know what you're thinking, wanna know if something's missing. Started stories before, but they ended up short. Get me up to higher places, want you to fill my pages. Is this for real or is it just a fantasy? Are we from now or is it really meant to be?
Come take my hand, I will walk with you. I won't let go till you say so.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all had an amazing Christmas. We spent Christmas with our family on Sunday, so on Christmas Day we had the chance to just spend time, just the four of us. Christmas here was so beautiful. We were in the high 60s and it was sunny. It was just so beautiful and bright. We woke up late, but we went to church before 10. So after that we just came home and we kind of hung out at my brother's house for a while, but it was just so relaxing and I feel so incredibly blessed every single day to have such amazing people around us. And also comment down below what you all did for Christmas. I would love to know. It's such an exciting time of the year and I cannot believe we are already almost into 2019. It's so crazy, but after Christmas my house was a major disaster, so it was definitely time to clean, and so I hope this gives you some serious cleaning motivation. So every time I start cleaning, I love to start from my bedroom. I wake up every morning, drink a huge glass of water, make myself a cup of coffee, I make breakfast for the boys, and then after that I go straight to my bedroom and start making my bed and tidying up my bathroom. It just makes me feel a million times better when I know my bed is made and my bedroom is under control. So let me know down in the comments below, which room do you usually tackle first?
There is no another. With your hand in mine, let me go by your side, let me go by your side. I wanna stay in your sunlight, I wanna wake up with you by my side. Without you there is no tomorrow. We could be in for the best ride, to last for the rest of our lives. Without you there is no tomorrow.
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. Up to knock 'em down, it's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away your sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a hurricane.
Okay, so I just put a lot of laundry in and I have two loads that I need to fold that I've been putting off since Monday. It's just been sitting in my guest bedroom for like a whole week now, but I need to start on dinner. I thought I'd share what I'm cooking tonight. So anytime I cook, I like to have everything out excuse the kids, they're playing in the living room, but I like to have everything out because I am so forgetful. So tonight I'm cooking bulmak and I ran out of white onions, so I'm using shallots. I have my noodles, I have this I'm gonna put inside the meat. I have green onion, I have banana flour. This is what we use to put over the soup. And then I have pork bone, pork feet, pig feet, and then I have ground chicken. So instead of ground pork, I'm using ground chicken. And then I have, this is jazz. So I have in here some fish sauce, shallots, pepper, salt, sugar, and a little bit of chicken bouillon. So this is actually the first time I'm cooking, I'm substituting chicken instead of the ground pork. So I'll let you know if it tastes good, if it tastes better. But I also know that it is a very much healthier option in Vietnamese food, cuisine. We eat a lot of pork. We use ground pork for almost everything, I feel like. But it's really good to try to, substitute chicken instead of pork because chicken is so much better. So I boiled the pig feet and the pork bones, and I just put them in this big pot. I added some rock sugar and salt, and I didn't have any yellow onions, so I just added shallots in there. But I'm gonna let it boil for about 2 hours, and it should be good. So I have all of this to fold, and then I have 2 more loads in the washer and dryer. Oh my god, it's so good. So I have in my smoothie spinach, almond milk, a whole lemon, apples, banana, pineapple, grapes, green grapes, blueberries, and strawberries. Pineapples. Did I say pineapples? I don't know. So good. The noodles ready. I have the banana flour here. You just kind of have to cut them up really thinly and then put lime in it. And then I have some lime here. I have green onions here. I forgot cilantro, but it's okay. And then I have the Vietnamese sausage, the pork sausage there. And then I have the soup. As you can see, I haven't taken down my Christmas trees or my decorations, but I think I'll take them down tomorrow just so I can have like a fresh, clean house for the new year. If you guys do follow me on Instagram or Facebook, you know I had my Christmas trees up since the beginning of November, so by now I am so ready to take them down. Let me know down in the comments below, do you take your decorations down on Christmas Day or the day after Christmas, or do you wait till after the new year to take them down? I would definitely love to know. This is how my fridge is looking right now. Very, very unorganized. And you can tell this is like my favorite creamer. It's the hazelnut, and they were on BOGO at Publix, so I got a lot. Yeah, I think that cabbage needs to go. Oh, can't even open this one. And ew. Look, I was so busy. I didn't even get the chance to take the eggs out of the bag. I just shoved them in. But yep, that's mom life. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do.
Your chin next to my chin, try to hold my breath in, don't wanna wake up. Your heart is my violin, watching you sleep is comforting, don't wanna wake up. Wish that I was brave, but I've never been the one. Wish that we could stay like this, I wanna stay. Wish that I was brave, but I've never been the one. Wish that we could stay like this, I wanna stay. If I got superpowers, I'd stop the clock, be right here in this moment. You're all I want. If I got superpowers, I'd stop the clock. Wish I got superpowers. Your hands touching my hand, want your fingers everywhere, don't wanna wake up. Wish that I was brave, but I've never been the one.
I just took out all the milk and the juices, and look how nasty that is. You see? Ew.
But I've never been the one. Wish that we could stay like this, I wanna stay. If I got superpowers, I'd stop the clock, be right here in this moment. You're all I want. If I got superpowers, I'd stop the clock. Wish I got superpowers. It's time for me to go. Reality is hurting.
So now it looks so much better. I have to hurry up and eat these because they're gonna expire. All the American stuff on this side, Asian food on this side. I have my eggs and my tofu. I love this tofu. Riley loves it when I make like stuffed tofu, so I always throw on sale. So I bought like 4 packs. And here are my lunch bowls. I had to throw away some of the lunch bowls because they were expired. My coffee creamer. This is just bamboo. I'm gonna do like a stir fry maybe tomorrow. And everything, it just looks so much better. So much more cleaner. And over here, it just looks so much better. And look at all this stuff that I had to throw away. All this was expired. See, this is what happens when you don't clean out your fridge. I think it's best to like clean your fridge maybe at least once a week. Just kind of see what you have and what you don't have, so you know you don't waste food, because I hate wasting food. Like, I'm so mad, like all that I had to throw away so much. But try to do this at least once a week. I know life can be crazy sometimes, but it definitely feels so much better now that I have it cleaned. So I really need to clean my car out. It looks kind of crazy. That's something that Dylan did, so I should get him to clean it instead. The front isn't too bad. It's just some snacks. My lotion. I love this lotion. It's my favorite. The Japanese Cherry Blossom from Bath & Body Works. Oh, this is like my favorite scent. Put that there. It's just a little dusty, so I'm gonna try to get this kind of semi-cleaned. I'm not gonna go and vacuum yet. I'll probably do that another day, but I'm just gonna take out all the trash and everything. Get Dylan to clean up this mess.
Oh God, I miss when we were wonder.
So we just finished dinner and I had the kids help me clear off most of the table. So now I'm just going to do a quick wipe down. I'm going to vacuum and mop the kitchen. But I hope this video gave you some motivation you needed to clean up your house, get ready for the new year. Click a thumbs up if you like this video and don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you next year in 2019. Bye guys.
What we could have done, what we become. It's like a story from the past. Impossible when you know the end. You and I, we never meant to be forever together. You and I'm sorry, but we're only dreaming. I only miss you when you're gone. Oh God, I miss when we were wanted.
I can see what we are, don't know where we belong. Wanna know what you're thinking, wanna know why something's missing. Started stories before, but they ended up short. Get me up to higher places, want you to feel my pages. Is this for real or